want to take a look at customer class now. And again, very similar to item class. Customer class is just a way for us to group customers together. In this case, I have one customer class that already exists. This is something I had created. By default, you would have no customer classes showing up. They're going to be based off of what you set up as a user within this company. So I have my retail customer class. I can specify, again, thinking back to the item classes, this allows me to set up a customer class, and then anytime I create a new customer and assign that customer to this class, it's going to prompt me to roll down class defaults. So they're not required. I can cancel out of that roll down, but it does aid in setting up customers, items, other things that use class vendors quicker by using these class defaults. So I can specify my default location. In this case, it's going to be my Lowell retail. I can specify payment terms, which is something we'll look at here shortly as well. I can specify price level if I have price levels set up within the system. Salesperson and Sales Territory. I can specify default shipping method, and I can specify default tax code as well. So again, these are all class defaults that would then roll down to any new customer that I add. So if I'm going to set up a new customer class, we'll call this one wholesale. They will be so again, setting the default from the customer class to the customer. When I create a sales transaction from that customer, would then use this warehouse as default on that sales transaction. So I'll use Lowell warehouse. I'll have a net 30 payment terms. I don't have any price level. I'm not using salesperson. I may use one of those default shipping methods that I set up, so I'm going to make it ground. And then if I have tax schedules or tax codes set up, in this case I have two that I've pulled over from QuickBooks, I would see those and I could set those as well. Again, not required. But I've set my new wholesale customer class, and so now it shows in my list. Again, when I add a new customer, I can then pick to specify what class I want to use for that customer, and then prompt those the prompt for roll downs will pop up, allowing me to set those defaults.